My name is Ridesh Kumar. In this walkthrough, I will explain the technical architecture of my deployed application, LegalLens AI. Currently, the application functions as a task management system that stores tasks along with their priority levels. I will explain the front-end structure, how data flows, how GitHub connects to AWS Amplify, and how the deployment process works. This is a React-based front-end application. The SRC folder, like this one, if you can see it over here, it contains all my React files, contain my components and application logic. The app.js file is the main entry point of the UI. This project follows a component-based architecture, which improves scalability and maintainability. So let's say, what problem does it solve? This application solves the problem of organizing and prioritizing tasks efficiently. User can enter tasks and assign priority levels, which allow structured task tracking. AI assistant was used during development to generate boilerplate code, improve UI logic, and optimize your deployment configuration. Let's try to use this application. So basically, this is the demo website. Just real quick. Yep, here you go. So whenever we try to any kind of email, because this is a demo version, or any password, it will show you this kind of dashboard. When I show you this kind of dashboard, when a user let's create a task. We don't have any task or anything right now pending, so let's try to create a task. If I'm doing like random words, random case number, federal, he always asks you priority level. So when the priority level is high and the general, we can use it. So family law, personal injury, or something like that, some research question notes, and we do the create task. It will create a task. It will show you it's a federal, it's a personal injury. It will highlight all the main points that we need. We can do this if the task is completed and it is done. I will show you that your task is completed. If you go to the dashboard, it will show you like one completed task and how many high priority are pending and how many the total tasks are. So basically, I'm showing you on my Amplify app URL. As you can see that all the functions are working. If I go to the task and I try to delete it, I can delete it. I can do like this whole demo application is working. Let's go for my GitHub repository. Let's go. I'm going to show you my GitHub repository. This is a project that I built, and I push my GitHub on this. This repository basically contains my source code. The main branch is connected directly to AWS Amplify. Well, AWS Amplify is configured with GitHub-based CI/CD, where whenever I push code to the main branch, Amplify automatically triggers a new build and deployment process. Now let me show you my AWS Amplify project. As you can see, that's the only project right now I made. When I push code to GitHub, Amplify detects changes in the connected branch. It clones the repository. It installs dependency using package.json. It runs the build command, typically npm run, where it generates static production files. Let's try to visit the deployment URL. Here you can see that I can use the deployment URL. I can use anything on it, and I have to give something on it as an email address and a password. So here, as you can see, same application, same everything. And on the Amplify, I can see like I'm hosting over here, build notifications, access control, like it is publicly viewed right now. And to monitor it, I have access logs. Like it takes up to a minute, just a second. Yep, there you go. You can see like when it was logged in, when it was used. We can see everything from here, and we can control the monitoring of the site, like how much traffic is going on the website. So, in final conclusion, I would like to say that through this project, I gained a deep understanding of front-end architecture, CI/CD workflows using GitHub and AWS Amplifies, and how modern web applications are built and deployed in production environments. That's all for it now. Thank you.